Good evening. In this session, we are going to discuss regarding World Health Organization and its statements on road accidents. Road accidents are common throughout the world. Mistake may be anybody's, but so many lives are being lost. But what will happen whenever there is an accident? If the victim is shifted to the hospital within first 1 hour, the life can be saved. That is the reason why the first 1 hour immediately after the accident is called golden hour. So in that particular golden hour, if the treatment is initiated to a victim, then we can save the lives of the people. But unfortunately, in many countries, including India, the legal procedures are really complicated. If there is any accident, if the passers-by shift the person victim to the hospital, then the person who is shifting them, helping these victims are called Samaritans. So these Samaritans are being questioned by the police. So they are being asked to come to police station. They are being asked to come to the court as a witness. So that is the reason why, with the fear of all these things, many, though they are good hearted, they don't come forward. That is the reason why government has decided to amend Motor Vehicle Act. And if you look at WHO is really worried about the number of deaths that are increasing year by year. And WHO has given guidelines to the various countries that the number of road accident deaths must be reduced by half by the year 2030. And India took this as a challenge, and India wanted to achieve this by the year 2025. Please remember, for the examination, the targeted year for WHO is 2030, and for that of India is 2025, with respect to reducing the number of deaths in the road accidents. That is the reason why the government of India has decided to give incentives to those Samaritans who shift the victims to the hospitals and save the lives of the people when accident occurs. Clear? So regarding this, I have information and I would like to show you that information. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. The World Health Organization has set a target to reduce the number of people killed and injured in road accident by half by the year 2030. But when it comes to India, the central government is aiming to reach the target 5 years before, meaning we want to achieve by the year 2025. In order to realize this goal, the Motor Vehicle Act of 2021 was implemented with strict rules. Now what will happen? Now the Ministry of Road and Transport announced cash incentives to the people who take seriously injured people to the hospital within the golden hour. This is what I was explaining you at the beginning of the class. Clear? Now I will show you some point with respect to what is golden hour. Look at this. So golden hour means, so is the 1 hour period after a traumatic injury, and there is the highest likelihood of preventing the death by providing prompt medical care to the victim. Meaning is simple. Unfortunately, large number of people are dying in accidents. Some may be dying, on the spot, but some may be, dying, because of the delay in shifting them to the hospital. So under this scheme, a cash prize of 5,000 rupees and a certificate will also be given. And it has been named as Good Samaritan. An individual Good Samaritan can be awarded a maximum of 5 times every year. Right? So please remember these points, and what is the targeted year for WHO, and what is the targeted year for India, and what do you mean by Samaritan, and what do you mean by you know this golden hour. Fine. So there may be a question in any examination, golden hour means. Then you will be in a position to answer it. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next session. Take very good care.